Hi, my name is Dana Heesberg. I am a vision strategist and coach, and today I want to teach you on the concept of know, like, and trust. And I feel that this is an important area for any small business owner to pay attention to. And I'm really certain that if you've been in business for a long time, a short time, or you're just about to get into business, you would have encountered the term know, like, and trust before. What I have found though is that most of the content that I've seen on this issue of know, like, and trust sometimes comes across as really complicated. And I honestly think that there is a simple way that you can understand know, like, and trust and start to implement it into your business. First off, I want to dismiss the notion that this know, like, and trust concept is a new concept in business. It absolutely is not. What has happened, however, is that the age of social media has given know, like, and trust a certain type of mystery that oftentimes intimidates small business owners. And I feel that it's important to clarify exactly what know, like, and trust really represents so that you as a small business owner would no longer be intimidated by this, but would actually see how easy it is to implement into your business. Now, let me first start by defining what know, like, and trust is. The concept of knowing, liking, and trusting in business really speaks to understanding the heart, the mind, and the character of the person who is the visionary of that business. So it is understanding what is the heart, the mind, and the character of the person who is behind the business. All businesses thrive, grow, exist because of their ability to communicate with their clients in such a way that their clients know them, their clients like them, and their clients trust them to deliver. Now, I know sometimes we think that know, like, and trust is something that's unique only to small businesses, but I want to dispel that myth. Every large corporation that you have seen or you see today started on the basis, on the principle of know, like, and trust. So when we see big corporations like Apple, like Amazon, like Nike, you see them at this stage now understand that where they are was exactly where you are, having to get persons to know, like, and trust them. And even at this stage, if you think about it, intermittently, these large corporations, their ads often reflect to their starting position, often reflect to what would have been the heart, mind, and character of the person who started the business. Think about Disney. Ever so often, we hear Disney's startup story, the whole story of Walt Disney and his journey and his vision behind Disney and all that it represents today. So know, like, and trust is something that is fundamental in business. You as a business owner, you have to find that means of helping your clients, your ideal clients, those that you have a solution for, to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And all three components are essential to your business. So let's talk about what know represents. Know who you are. So you know who I am. I am Dana Heesberg. I'm a vision strategist. Know the things that I value. So when I speak with you and I share with you, you get a sense of the things that I value, the things that are important to me, and know what that person who is in business is about. That is so important. Now, in the age of social media, sometimes we think that it means showing everybody every aspect of our lives. And a lot of small business owners become very intimidated by that because you think to yourself, I don't want all of my life on the internet. And I agree. Personally, I don't put my entire life on the internet. But what I do share are those elements of who I am that helps you to know about me, that helps you to understand the things that are important to me, what motivates me, what are the things that become a part of my thought process when I have major decisions, and what I am really about. Like, what am I on this earth to solve. Why am I passionate about the business that I'm in? Why am I passionate about vision strategy and building strong businesses? Know who you are. So it's not simply sharing all of your everyday affairs on social media, but rather it is sharing with your clients the things that they find valuable, the things that they would love to know about you, that they can understand your intentions. The next thing, like speaks to having known you, having heard what you are about, having heard what you value, having heard what it is that you are trying to do on this earth. Do I like it? And that's a big thing. The reality is, we know a lot of people, we know a lot of businesses, we know a lot of entrepreneurs, we follow a lot of people online, and we can say, hey, I know what they're about, but do I like it? What does like mean? Like doesn't necessarily mean do I like your personality, but do I connect with what you are sharing? Do I feel like, in a sense, you understand me and I understand you? Like, know leads to like. That's what we're hoping, that for the ideal client and for your business, we're hoping that when they get to know you, as you genuinely share important things about who you are and what your business represents and why you are in it, that your ideal clients will see something in that knowledge that they like, that they connect with, that makes them want to come again. And then finally, trust. Trust is developed where over time your clients observe a consistency of that character, a consistency of what you have said are the things that are important to you, a consistency of your message, that you honestly believe in what you are doing. One of the things that I often pride myself in is that when you see me online, if you meet me in person, I'm literally the same person. I believe in what I am saying, and I'm not putting on a show, and that is so important. People want to be able to trust you, so they want to be able to trust your character, your motivations, and your intentions. They also want to be able to trust that you can deliver what you said you would deliver, and that's so critical. They want to know that you will deliver what you say that you will deliver. And I'll add this: even in the event that for some reason you are unable to deliver, they want to see that you have integrity about it. So that is what know, like, and trust is. And with that in mind, knowing you, liking you, trusting you continually allows you to connect with your ideal clients, continually allows you to convert visitors or persons who are now knowing you into clients. And then as you continually build that relationship, you are able to convert your clients into ambassadors. And that is how the knowledge of who you are and what you represent in your business begins to extend much further than you are even attempting to do, because your clients will now become your ambassadors as they know, like, and trust you. Thank you so much for joining this video today. I will be putting out more content very regularly, so be sure to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook as The Vision Builder, and we will chat again very soon.